औज़ुबिल्लाहि बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच 8 हैं या 9। कितने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच हैं आपके ख्याल में? 8 नहीं 9। तो इंतहा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, बहुत ही आसान एग्जांपल के साथ तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। देयर आर 9 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। नंबर 1, नाउन, नेम्स अ पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग्स और आइडिया। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाउस, टीचर, कप, shop. These are the nouns. Sentence: my teacher is very nice person. My teacher is very nice person. Teacher is noun. Pronoun: replace the names of person, place, thing or idea in a sentence. For example, I, she, we, are, there, it, all are the examples of pronouns. Sentence: Becky is very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. Here is she pronoun, me pronoun, my pronoun. You can visit the shopping center at 1 o'clock. Here the pronoun is you. These are the basic sentence about pronoun. The next is adjective. Adjective describes a noun or pronouns. Adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Short, beautiful, red, old. Sentence: Fatma has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. Huge is adjective. Huge is adjective. 6 is also adjective, but huge is the first adjective. Next one is verb. Describes an action or experience. Describes an action or experience. Run, walk, push, eat. These are the example of verb. Sophie ran to school because she was late. Here the verb is ran. The next sentence: John loves to bake cookies. Bake. Bake mean to make. Bake is verb. Next one is adverb. Adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The adverb tells us how often, how, where, or when an action takes place. Adverb tells us where and how an action takes place. Slowly, yesterday, always. Example: Sophie is always late for school. Here the adverb is always. Next sentence: late is another adverb in the sentence. Late is a verb that describes that tells us about adverb. Last night I slept really well. Last night is adverb, slept is verb. Preposition describe the place, time, or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun. We can say that it creates links between noun and pronoun. Under, above, in, during. These are the example of prepositions. The cat jumped over the box. Preposition is, what do you think? Over is the preposition. Get into the car quickly before we are late to school. Get into the car quickly before we are late to school. Into is the preposition. Next one is conjunction. Conjunction. Connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Connect word, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Common conjunctions: and, but, although, or. These are the common conjunctions. I like to watch the televisions and eat popcorn. And is the conjunction. And is the conjunction. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. Whereas I am very quiet. Whereas conjunction. Interjection. Wow. Express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. Strong emotions like wow, hurrah. Interjection: wow, the view is amazing. The view is amazing. Wow is interjection. Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. Well, hey is preposition. The ninth one is the article. A and the article are also the parts of speech. Article are also included in parts of speech. A indefinite article. A an indefinite article, where the is the definite article. Consonant word, before consonant we use a, before vowel we use an. You can see the example. There is a university. This is a book. This is an umbrella. There's an octopus. There is the definite article used specific nouns like where is the teacher. Hope sure you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the more videos GM Afzal Academy. Wish you best of luck forever. Thank you so much.